How we didn't smack butts is like beyond me. All right, guys, we just got back from a race. That Jace drives, and we just raced this 62 Vet and this 65 Cobra. Oh man, I was puckering the whole time. It scared me, honestly.
How puckering? How puckering were you?
I don't know how I did it, but I ruined my jeans. Somehow in that race, I totally shredded my jeans. Like, see my underwear. Like,
I'm a worthy competitor then, right? Does that mean I'm a worthy competitor?
A worthy competitor. Like, I was so nervous. Like, we were neck and neck flooring it. I mean, it was I swore our butts were going to collide. I thought we were going to collide in that race. We were fishtailing the whole way. It was feather on and off, just trying to keep the car under control. I actually don't know who won the race.
I don't know. We are going to go and see the footage and the race over on my channel. But what we're going to explain, no, actually Travis, because he's the pro. What he's going to explain is how was the race close, and why are these two super dope cars to take neck and neck with each other?
Okay, there are a few differences in these cars. This is the 62 Vet. It's actually equipped with a supercharged LT4. I mean, we've got it at 485 horsepower, about 500 foot-pounds of torque. A lot of horsepower, a lot of power. A bit heavier than the Cobra. Also, we've got a much narrower tire on this vehicle, so makes it a little squirrely. Short wheelbase, a little bit of weight, a lot of power, really squirrely. The 65 Cobra, we've got a 5-liter 302, about 285 horsepower, but about 340 foot-pounds of torque. It's lighter, it's got a much wider tire, so you're getting a lot more road. Much more capable, especially in a short track. So,
so maybe I had an advantage.
There might have been an advantage there, but I think we were both full into it the whole way, and we were neck and neck, full in, and I actually for sure thought we were going to collide it a couple times. So.
I really want to see the footage of that. We haven't seen it. We don't know.
We don't know. All right, guys, let's check the footage. We're ready to see the footage. I want to see who won this race.
All right, Taylor, you got that footage? Yeah. Oh, baby, I'm ready for this.
Okay.
I'm not ready for this.
All right, let's see this. I don't know.
Yeah. This is what you guys got here.
Oh, my goodness.
Holy crap.
Oh, wow.
Here he comes, here he comes.
Oh, no.
What do you think of that?
What was it? All right, you guys are going to have to go over to the Jace. Link is down below. Come over to that, and you'll get to see the race.